I'm Noella Palmer. I'm the owner of Derw Glass, and this is my daughter.
Hi, my name's Angharad and I'm one of the directors of Derw Glass.
Derw Glass started in 1991 as a one-man band, and through the years we've progressed. At the beginning we had one little old washer, no sealer, just my husband, a man with a sealing gun. That was Julian. And for the first year he was cutting the glass, making the units and everything, and delivering them himself. But over the years we've progressed.
And we're actually celebrating 35 years this year, which is really exciting.
We've been working with Edgetech for quite a few years on different things, but it's only now we've actually taken their product. When we invested in the new IG line, really it was to improve the quality. The advantages of moving over from the rigid bar to the flexi bar was 100% better because one, we got less wastage, there's less handling.
Quality's better. The customers, they're a lot happier with what we're producing, and we can meet the demand better because we can produce a lot more units because of the speed of the line. We see Edgetech as more than a supplier because they go beyond the product, they're easy to deal with. I don't feel like they're just supplying us. There's more of a partnership, a relationship.
And a consultancy, really.
Yeah.
They've been really great, even from the beginning, before we even finished putting the machine together. We had Tony Farmer, the representative. We were going through different things, looking at how much bars we were using, the quantity, doing the reports, going through what the first order was going to be, because to us now this was all new. All the help we got, and it was really good. And even when we were putting the orders on, the other people on the other side of the phone, absolutely wonderful. So the customer service, I must admit, is really, really good.
Yeah. My advice to other manufacturers considering going into automation is to just do it. It's a risk, but the risk pays off. Unfortunately, we've got to go with the times, and this is the way that the industry is going.
The investments that we've done is really going to take us for another 20 years.
I think the future for the business looks really positive for us. We can take it forward and pass it down to the next generation, pass it down through my kids. It'd be nice to just keep the legacy going of Derw Glass.